$100,000 of credit or money, reference 3 equals $300,000. Times 5 is 1.5 million. Do you not understand? You've been doing stupid all your life. I'm sorry, but it's true. Hey, why don't we just take 100,000 off a freaking credit card and to it to $1.5 million? When I was the opening show for the American Success Journal on Channel 9, I walked around for 9 days, showed my career $1 million. They did it in 6. And they dropped me off at a Target store. And that's all I had to do. See, I'll turn something into nothing. They follow me around. I go into the counter. I got a corporate tax in the bank account, $100 in the account. That's it. All right. They have a what's called a guest card for business, $7,500. I bought a TV and a suit. I used to pay for it, and I call it a limousine now. Wow! I need you to take me to the other Target down the street. I gave them back their TV and their suit. I got some cash. Wow! See, there's a way to leverage everything.